A few days ago, Microsoft released a new version of their popular code editor /IDE VS Code. This version of VS Code runs on your browser, so you can run it on devices where it was impossible to do previously, like smartphones, tablets, and Chromebooks. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use VS Code on your browser using an Android device. We'll go into what this version of VS Code can do and cannot do. To access this version of VS Code for the web, you will need a browser, preferably Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and an internet connection. Once you have that, you need to head on over to vscode.dev. Once there, you can click on Add to Home Screen in order to save an icon of VS Code to your home screen. This version of VS Code has many features like syntax highlighting, search, extension support, the ability to use source control, and repositories. Also, you can work with files that are saved locally on your machine with this version of VS Code. Since this runs on a browser, it has a few limitations. For example, the terminal and debugger are not available since you cannot compile, run, and debug an application on a browser sandbox. This, however, does not affect your experience with languages that don't need to be compiled. So your experience with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, JSON, and Python will be the full experience you'd get on VS Code for a desktop. This is because these languages are powered by a language service that can run on a browser. Extensions are the other drawback of this version of VS Code. You can only use subsets of extension in this version of VS Code. For those extensions that are not supported, you'll see this warning when trying to install them. The last limitation is that some key bindings won't work like they do on an active version of VS Code. This is because some of these key combinations already have functions in the browser. For example, the native version of VS Code uses the following combination to use the command palette. This combination, however, has another function and is reserved in Firefox, so it won't work. You'll have to use F1 to open the command palette. For more information about this version of VS Code, open its documentation. Link is available in the description. If you are new to my channel, I do computer sciences, technology, and programming videos, so subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell in order to be notified when I drop a video. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment down below, and for the top 5 programming languages you can learn in 2021, click on this video here, or watch this video here for the top 5 code editors on Android.